In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a field in Airtable, so you can keep your database clean, clear, and easy for your whole team to understand. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once you're on the login page, click Login and enter your credentials. After you're signed in, open the base that contains the field you want to rename. Remember, a base is like your main project folder, so choose the one that holds the table you need to work with. Now, select the specific table that contains the field you're looking to rename. Tables are the individual sheets within your base. Once you're on the correct table, locate the column header of the field you want to change. This is the small box at the very top of the column that currently shows the existing field name. Click the drop-down arrow that appears next to that field name when you hover over it. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Edit Field to open the Field Settings panel. Inside the field settings, you'll see a box labeled Field Name. This is where the magic happens. Simply type the new name you want for the field. Here's a quick tip. Make sure the name clearly describes the data it holds. For example, instead of naming something Date 1, use Due Date so anyone looking at your table immediately knows what that column is for. Keep your field names short but descriptive. It makes a huge difference when your base grows. Once you're happy with the new name, click Save or Update field. You'll see the column header automatically update with the new name right away. Before you move on, it's a good idea to check your different views, like Grid, Calendar, or Gallery, to ensure everything still looks correct. Renaming a field does not delete or change your data, so you're safe, but it's always smart to double-check that the name appears properly across all your views. Also, be sure to update names consistently across your base to avoid confusion. And if this field is used in any formulas or automations, let your team know about the change so nothing breaks unexpectedly. That's it, you've just successfully renamed a field in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.